Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe for today. Some Sunday dinner, home style stewed pork. So I'm gonna show you how me prepare my recipe. So I have some running water running on the pork and thing peeps. So you know, say to prepare the meat proper way. So we have some vinegar right there, we have some spice. So we're gonna wash off the pork with the vinegar. I know say vinegar cut around this. You can use also the lime or the sour orange peeps, right? So we have some running water run out of the hose right there. Yeah, we have a knife and the seasoning, the garlic, pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento seed. Another preview on the pork there. So we cut the pork there clean and pretty. So we are putting some vinegar water to wash them off there. So in the pot again peeps. See cutting board there you can see. Yeah, so the pork cut up and ready and wash off with vinegar. See what are the spice them and thing there. Peeps, carrot, Irish, onion, scallion, garlic, ginger, thyme. You can see peeps, yeah. And see carrot right there, yes my peeps. So and see season them there. So I cut up some, add some salt to my pork now and thing. So you know me I season it up, so I show you step by step. Yes my peeps. So I add some powder season there. You can see. So I have two different separate pork me I season up. Yes. So some more seasoning. Because you know we have to make pork season up and nice. It tastes good, flavorful, tastable, eatable, delicious. You can see presentation. Yeah peeps, some more seasoning again. Yeah. So we have some garlic and ginger, green seasoning and thing there, scallion pepper cut up. Yes peeps, you don't know. We have to rub it in the pork, season up it, make it marinate for around 8 hours, right? So we're going to add some browning, not really enough, you can see, yeah. So you know the browning done right there, so you don't really respond, that's the thing, you see. Just a do it, make them see it, my peeps, yeah. So we are rubbing the season of the pork and thing. On the gloves, you know, some see my grandfather rubbing the season, yeah. This is the way I see him do it. Most of the pork and thing my peeps, yeah. You know, so the recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking. Guys, remember please watch the video till the end. Please like and share. Remember to subscribe. Peeps, yes, so the pork season up and thing now. So we're gonna put in the refrigerator. You go and stay for 8 hours, my peeps. Pork season up and ready and thing there. So you a green seasoning them peeps, yeah. So you don't know you put this up the pork in the bag now. You go and stay back. A piece you go jerk, but I'm not really right now, my peeps. So I go and stay in the freezer. Piece that one soaking a season and thing, yeah. So another piece I go jerky, so I say, yeah man. Guys, I channel know say recipe are nice and eatable and tastable. Yeah, we just cook some food and just invite everybody, them come eat and taste the recipe, them see. Yeah. But don't worry when the time is right, so see don't put the pork in the refrigerator for 8 hours there. That go and stay for 8 hours and thing piece. Wash out the meat board, because I know say godliness are cleanliness and cleanliness are godliness. So we don't know how to wash out the meat board and things, some bleach water and fab. Never shown that part there. You know, we have to clean up the place and thing. Yes, the peeps. Yes. Alright, peas. So, see fire down, catch the fire, it a blaze up and things. So, you know, so we put on the peas. So, you know, so outside we cook on the coal stove, right? Yeah, we already gas stove when that rain time, but the coal stove, normal cooking. So, peeps, see the peas with some ginger and garlic, right? So, we put on the peas on the coal now. That go and cook. Yeah, so you see me I blow the coal and thing them peeps. You don't know. You can't blow coal still see, but it a blaze still cause nice coal with them and things. You know what I'm saying? So I put on the pot the coal, put on the peas on the coal fire and thing, yeah. Fire and thing and go on under the peas you know and thing. Update again my peeps. Yes. Outside settings. You know it's Sunday. See peas there. I'll update again. Alright my peeps. That go and cook you know. Yes, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna deal with rice and peas. So see peas are boiled, so you know so you have to sink it in some water. Some people know sink peas either way. That is the way you sink the peas, put water in it. Some people use fork to try sink the peas, no water, cold water sink the peas, right? So we take out the peas, so we deal with the pork now. So remember say home style stewed pork peeps. So see they put on the pot now, you go on hot before you add the oil to it. Not really enough oil and could tip it up peeps. See peas there, that one stay back there so. See pork you know, yes my peeps. So you know me typical in the pot and thing. Yes, yeah, that's not really enough peeps. Alright, so I'm going to add some green seasoning to that now. So I'll go and add first. So the green seasoning, add and thing, some garlic, pepper, scallion, and ginger, my peeps. That's the flavor of the pork. Yeah, see the pork there. The peeps, I stir it and things. So I stir fry this pork after around 20 minutes. Yeah, so peeps, I go and add myself there. See the presentation and thing in the pot peeps, yeah. Pork well pretty and things season up and smell good, delicious, eatable, tastable. So I cover it down, go and stir fry again. Another update and thing with peeps. So now I'll stir it again because I want to catch color peeps, right? I want to catch pot color peeps, you can see. Yeah, man, alright. So now I get another stir fry so pork will get pretty and colorful there. Yeah, presentation, eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking item piece more. There are no water and pork ready. See, spice them cut up and thing there. Peeps, you can see. Some cover it back and rice and peas, then I go and season it up and thing. Put some scallion, thyme, and some pepper and see coconut powder there. You know, say coconut tree blow down, because children say storm come, the tree blow down from now. You see, so we have to use some coconut powder and we have to put salt, the taste and flavor. Yes, my peeps. You know, it's natural, simple rice and peas. Yes, my peeps. Another update on the pork and thing here. You can see what I'm going. So the pork colorful and thin down to peeps. You know, say, I get an extra stir fry again. So, you know, so I want 20 minutes at stir fry for. See, color the pork how you want it there. Yes, peeps. So you know what I want now. I add the water to the pork now to go and cook down. Yes, my peeps. The recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable, finger licking, delicious. Peeps, I'm not telling you right now. But there, mouth around the water, my peeps. So you know, so right now, yeah. So I go on there, another covering again, my peeps. So another update again. Yes, my peeps. So I go add the water to it now. Because it's time for the water, yes. So put the water, the pork one cook till it gets soft. So now I'll show you step by step how I prepare my home style stew pork, right? Yes, my peeps, it's a bubble up and thing there. Yes. You go and simmer down and thing piece another update. See presentation there, colorful, flavorful, tastable, eatable, delicious. Yes, peeps. See the home style stew pork there, yeah. I tell you, soon get soft now because I don't know how to tenderize it already. Yeah. Keep back down peas, you go and cook. Yes, peeps, another update again, see what I go on now. So you know, say, I will test the pork now, how soft is it. If it's ready, you can put in the green season then. Yes, it's soft and thing the peeps, but you don't know. You have to cook it soft how you want it, no peeps, because I don't want my meat mash up, you know. When I don't cook my pot, my meat presentation same here. So yes, the pork now, cook and ready and now, peeps. The season up with the green season, carrot, Irish, onion, and scallion, and pepper, garlic, see them there. Irish and cut in a small cubes a piece, yeah. So it's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable. So cover it, go and cook. The green season, go and cook how you want them. Another update the peeps, you know, so the recipe is soon ready. It'll go down to gravy and things, so you go and cook and things with peeps, yeah. Presentation, eatable, delicious. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, peeps. And until like cover it again, go and cook it now, right? Yes, peeps, another update, you know. So you know, so we're gonna spice up the pork. We'll put some ketchup to flavor and taste, right? Yes, simple, natural ketchup, right? Yes, my peeps. Presentation and thing there. Stir it in. The ketchup one stir up and thing there. Alright, peeps, so we'll cover it now. To go and finish, go down to gravy, right? So you know, so the recipe is soon ready. Another update again. See what I go on. Now the pork pot, my peeps. Yes. Right now, peeps, I'm hungry. You never know. I can't eat right now, there no peeps. Belly there. Around my crawl, I'm out around the water. You know. Just want to eat that pork here. Just peeps, I don't even know. Please remember to like and share. Remember to subscribe. Watch the video till the end. Please like and share. Remember, 7 times rise, 7 times fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. We got the true warrior. We got Father God first and everything. And we got the sexy body girl. Them. Peeps with the recipe, they ready and thing now. So we'll take it off. You see, peas pot go on. So we're going to do the rice and peas now, peeps. Yeah, another update again. Then show them cook the peas from first and take it off and cook the pork. I don't know. Natural, normal Sunday cooking this outside on the cold stove. Right? And this is some see my grandfather cook on the cold stove. And left the gas the rain time of peeps. So see rice and peas pot there, you know it all go now. That boil up and things, and I'll show you now update night. See, so it's barely a boil up the peeps, and I boil up right weight and things still. Yeah. So now I'll show you now the update on the pork. Yes, my peeps, the pork pot they cook and ready. Simmer, ready to eat. Bread, anything can eat a pork, anything at all. Do anything at all, my peeps. You can eat all seeing it. Represent eat out your John know. Alright, the rice and peas pot I boil up now, peeps, you don't know. Bean seasoning, cook and thing, I put in the rice and thing now. So the rice go and cook for around 15 minutes, simmer down and thing, steam down, shelly, eatable, tastable. So now I spin up the rice because I don't want it burn. Remember to stir your rice and peas no peeps. If you don't stir it, it will burn up. Right? And burn rice no nice. So I say, it will taste that way no peeps. Now I update there. Rice and peas dry out and now steam and thing peeps. So I will show you step by step. Rice and peas shelly. Presentation. Whole of peas, rich, nice, eatable, delicious, flavorful, tasteful. Peas, my auntie likes me a story in rice and peas, I don't know. You have to stir it, you go and steam out. You can't keep burn up no people, right? Yes, you have to stir it up. How long turn down the fire still, see it. You have to just know if turn down the cold fire. You can't turn down coast, you can't turn gas stove alone, you have to turn the cold fire, see me, you see it. Peeps, please remember to like and share. Remember to subscribe. Left a comment, right? It's a recipe I tasted because he put it right now. Mouth around water see me. Now the update on the rice and peas peeps it there. Rice and peas soon ready. Don't steam down some more peas, right? Yeah. Peeps, please like. The recipe there already now. Aki, pork, rice and peas. You can see carrot them. You can see Irish, you can see whole spice them peeps. Yes, another update, so you don't know, so I share dinner and thing now, you know, so yeah. Another update on the rest of food, like the pot and thing peeps. And I really know food still in I don't know. Yeah. Alright. Presentation again the peeps. Another update, remember to like and share, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Some peeps, the presentation and food and things. You know, so right now dinner time peeps and I go eat some food because I'm hungry now. We're going to set up a soon cook. I invite everybody and then come taste some of the recipe then please remember to subscribe, like and share.